Welcome to Toronto, Canada's vibrant metropolis and the ultimate travel destination for 2025. Whether you're here for the stunning skyline, the rich culture, or the mouth-watering food scene, Toronto has something for everyone. From world-class attractions to hidden gems, this city is packed with adventure. In this video, we're diving into the best places you absolutely can't miss on your next trip. So buckle up, because by the end, you'll have your Toronto itinerary sorted. 1. The iconic landmarks. First up, we have the CN Tower, Toronto's crown jewel. Towering over the city at 553 meters, it's not just a landmark, it's an experience. Whether you're dining at the Revolving Restaurant, which offers 360-degree views of the city, or braving the Edgewalk for some breathtaking views, this is a must-see. The CN Tower was once the tallest freestanding structure in the world, and it's still one of the tallest in the Western Hemisphere. And just a short walk away is Nathan Phillips Square. Here, you can snap a picture with the iconic Toronto sign. It's the perfect photo op with the Toronto City Hall in the background. If you're visiting in winter, lace up your skates and glide across the outdoor rink. In the summer, the square transforms into a lively gathering place, often featuring live music and outdoor festivals. 2. Explore Toronto's diverse neighborhoods. Next up, let's talk about one of Toronto's most vibrant and eclectic neighborhoods, Kensington Market. A UNESCO heritage site, this neighborhood is a treasure trove of unique shops, quirky cafes, and street art. If you're into vintage clothing or local artisan goods, this is the place to be. Don't leave without trying the famous empanadas at Jumbo Empanadas or grabbing a coffee at Fika Cafe. Not far from Kensington Market is Toronto's Chinatown, one of the largest in North America. It's a foodie's paradise with authentic dim sum, bubble tea, and exotic ingredients that will excite any culinary enthusiast. Be sure to check out the amazing street markets, and if you're into history, visit the Chinatown Heritage Center to learn more about the community's roots. After exploring the cultural richness of Kensington and Chinatown, make your way to Yorkville, one of Toronto's most upscale neighborhoods. Known for its luxury boutiques, art galleries, and world-class restaurants, Yorkville is perfect for those looking to splurge. And if you're a fan of art, don't miss the ROM, Royal Ontario Museum, which is nearby. In the summer, the area is full of life, with street performances and high-end fashion shows taking place regularly. 3. Immerse yourself in culture. For history buffs and art lovers, the Royal Ontario Museum is an absolute must-see. With over 6 million artifacts spanning cultures and centuries, you could easily spend an entire day here. From the dinosaurs in the fossil gallery to the art from ancient Egypt, the ROM offers a deep dive into human history and natural wonders. Just a short walk away, you'll find the Art Gallery of Ontario, AGO. This incredible space houses more than 90,000 works of art, including contemporary pieces, and a significant collection of works by the Group of Seven. One of the most striking features is the architecture itself. Designed by Frank Gehry, the AGO's transformation has made it a landmark in its own right. If you're into modern art, you'll love the AGO's temporary exhibits and interactive installations. If you're traveling with kids or simply curious about science and technology, the Ontario Science Centre is a fantastic spot. With hands-on exhibits, an IMAX theater, and fascinating displays, you'll be both entertained and educated. It's perfect for families or anyone with an interest in innovation. 4. Nature and outdoor activities. Need a break from the bustling city? Hop on a ferry to the Toronto Islands. This hidden paradise, just a short ride from downtown, offers stunning views of the skyline and a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. Rent a bike to explore the island's trails, enjoy a picnic by the beach, or simply relax at one of the many gardens. The Toronto Islands are also home to some of the best beaches in the city, such as Hanlan's Point Beach, which is famously clothing optional. Closer to downtown, Hyde Park offers 400 acres of green space to explore. With nature trails, a small zoo, and beautiful cherry blossoms in the spring, it's the perfect place to escape into nature without leaving the city. If you're there during the summer, check out the Shakespeare in the Park Festival, where you can watch live performances under the stars. For something more dramatic, head to the Scarborough Bluffs on the eastern edge of the city. These towering cliffs overlook Lake Ontario and offer some of the most picturesque views of the city. It's a great spot for hiking, photography, or just taking in the natural beauty. 5. Shop and dine in style. Calling all shopaholics. Toronto has some of the best shopping in North America. The Eaton Centre is the city's premier shopping mall, boasting over 230 retailers, ranging from high-end brands to affordable fashion. You can easily spend a whole day here if you love to shop. If you're into boutique shopping or artisanal goods, head over to the Distillery District. This charming neighborhood is home to cobblestone streets, art galleries, and upscale boutiques. Pro tip: if you're visiting in the winter, the Distillery District hosts the Toronto Christmas Market, one of the most beautiful Christmas markets you'll ever visit. Toronto is also a food lover's paradise. Be sure to check out St. Lawrence Market, which has been around since 1803 and is consistently ranked as one of the world's top food markets. From fresh seafood to local cheeses, it's a perfect spot for breakfast or lunch. Don't miss out on the famous Pimille bacon sandwich at Carousel Bakery. If you're in the mood for fine dining, Toronto offers a diverse range of culinary experiences. King Street West, in particular, is home to some of the best restaurants in the city, from high-end steakhouses to innovative international cuisine. Whether you're craving sushi, Italian, or contemporary Canadian dishes, you'll find it here. 6. Hidden gems and local favorites. For a touch of charm and history, visit the Distillery District. This pedestrian-only area is brimming with art galleries, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Pro tip: visit during the Toronto Christmas Market for a magical holiday vibe. And if you're into street art, Graffiti Alley is your Instagram dream. Every wall is a canvas, showcasing Toronto's urban creativity. It's a must-see for art lovers and a great place to capture some unforgettable photos. Another underrated spot is the Allen Gardens Conservatory. Located in the heart of Toronto, this historical botanical garden features a variety of plant species, all housed in stunning glass greenhouses. It's the perfect escape for nature lovers who want to experience. Toronto truly is a city that has it all, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, there's always something new to explore. And with so much to do, you'll never run out of places to visit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels!